Here we have for sale Monty. She's a 44-foot, 2-inch semi-trad, built in 2019 by JD Boat Services on a shelf from Graham Reeves. Paintwork is in great condition. Propulsion is by a Vetus M435 diesel engine, that's 33 horsepower. And we'll go and take a look inside. So stepping on board Monty from the forward well deck, there's a cabin at the fore here which has a multiple uses. Comfy bench seat, wardrobe space. You can also use this area for your dinette. There's a little fold-up table. And then behind that panel there is a drop-down bed. You can leave the bed made up with your duvet and sheets on, and it literally just folds down. Very simple and quick. So moving towards the aft, on the port side is your shower room, wash basin, cassette toilet and a shower cubicle with laminate linings. Hot water is by engine and boiler. There is an immersion, but it's not wired in at the moment. And as you can see, there's radiators throughout, and that is heated by an bespoke diesel boiler. And there's also a diesel stove in the aft saloon. Into the walk-through galley, there's a tall fridge freezer and gas cooking. She's had very little use, Monty. She's absolutely immaculate inside and out. Only 231 hours on the engine. So this is the saloon area, which is ready for freestanding chairs or a little sofa bed. And there's all your electrical gauges and switches. And there is also a Victron Multiplus 3 kilowatt inverter, 120 amp charger. So Monty is with us at North Kilworth Marina. To arrange a viewing, give us a call on 01788 822 115. For more details and to download the full specification and the brochure, visit our website www.abnb.co.uk.